Good afternoon. I have a reservation under Sara.
Welcome, ma'am. May I see your ID, please?
Sure. Here is my passport and booking confirmation.
Thank you. Please allow me a moment.
Take your time. The lobby feels very peaceful.
I'm glad you like the atmosphere here.
Is my room already prepared for check-in?
Yes, your room is fully ready now.
That's great. I had a long journey today.
We understand travel can be tiring.
Could you tell me about my room location?
Your room is on the 7th floor.
Does it have a city view or garden view?
It offers a wide city skyline view.
That sounds lovely during nighttime hours.
The lights look beautiful after sunset.
What time is breakfast served every morning?
Breakfast starts from 6 until 10.
Are there vegetarian options available there?
Yes, we provide several vegetarian dishes.
That makes me feel very comfortable here.
We try our best to meet preferences.
Is Wi-Fi included with the room stay?
Yes, complimentary internet is provided.
Do I need a password for connection?
The password is printed on your key card.
Thank you for explaining everything clearly.
It is my duty to assist guests.
Could you arrange a wake-up call tomorrow morning?
Certainly. What time should we call you?
Please call me at 7 sharp.
The wake-up call is scheduled successfully.
I appreciate your professional service.
Your satisfaction matters to us greatly.
Could I have help with my luggage?
A bellman will assist you shortly.
That would be very helpful.
Here is your room key card.
Thank you. I'm excited to rest now.
Enjoy your stay with us, ma'am.
Hello, this is room 704.
Good evening. How may I assist you?
I would like to order dinner, please.
Certainly. Would you like the menu?
I already reviewed the digital menu earlier.
What would you prefer tonight?
I want grilled vegetables with soup.
Would you like bread on the side?
Yes, please include warm bread.
Any drink preference, ma'am?
Fresh orange juice would be perfect.
Your order will arrive soon.
How long will it take approximately?
It should reach within 30 minutes.
That timing works well for me.
Thank you for choosing room service.
After the call, Sara noticed extra pillows. She called again for housekeeping support. Hello, may I speak with housekeeping?
Housekeeping speaking, ma'am.
I need fewer pillows on the bed.
Certainly. We will adjust it immediately.
Also, could I get extra towels?
How many towels would you prefer?
Please send 2 more towels.
We will deliver them shortly.
Thank you for responding quickly.
Guest comfort is our priority.
A knock sounded gently at the door.
May I come inside now?
Yes, you may enter.
I will change the pillows now.
I appreciate your careful work.
Please let us know further needs.
The room feels very clean already.
We sanitize every area daily.
That makes me feel safe.
Safety standards are strictly followed.
Later, the food arrived neatly arranged.
Your dinner is ready, ma'am.
Everything smells wonderful already.
Please enjoy your meal.
Thank you for the prompt delivery.
Have a pleasant evening ahead.
Hello. I would like information about spa services.
Welcome, ma'am. We offer various treatments.
I feel tired and need relaxation.
A full-body massage may help you.
How long does that session last?
The session lasts for 60 minutes.
Is the massage gentle or strong?
We adjust pressure based on comfort.
I prefer a gentle, relaxing massage.
That can be arranged easily.
Are natural oils used during treatment?
Yes, we use organic essential oils.
That sounds very soothing.
Many guests find it refreshing.
Do I need to book in advance?
Booking is recommended but not required.
Is there availability this afternoon?
We have an opening at 4.
That timing works for me.
May I confirm your room number?
My room number is 704.
Thank you for the information.
What should I do before the session?
Please arrive 10 minutes earlier.
Should I change clothes beforehand?
We provide fresh robes inside.
That makes it easy.
Lockers are available for belongings.
Is the spa area quiet?
Silence is maintained for relaxation.
I appreciate peaceful environments.
Many guests feel the same way.
Will someone guide me inside?
Yes, a therapist will assist you.
Thank you for explaining everything clearly.
It is my pleasure.
Later, after the session, Sara returned calmly. That massage was extremely relaxing.
I'm glad you enjoyed it.
My body feels much lighter now.
Relaxation improves overall comfort.
The staff was very professional.
We focus on guest well-being.
I will visit again tomorrow.
We look forward to serving you.
Good morning. Is the gym open now?
Yes, the gym opened an hour ago.
That's perfect timing for me.
Are you familiar with gym equipment?
I use basic machines regularly.
I can guide you if needed.
I appreciate helpful guidance.
Please feel comfortable here.
Where can I keep my bag?
Lockers are available near the entrance.
Do I need my own lock?
Locks are provided by the hotel.
That is very convenient.
Towels are placed near machines.
Thank you for informing me.
Would you like a warm-up suggestion?
Yes, that would be helpful.
Light stretching prevents injury.
I agree with that advice.
Treadmills are popular for warm-up.
How long should I walk?
10 minutes is sufficient.
That sounds manageable.
Please maintain proper posture.
I will keep that in mind. After exercising, Sara took a short break. Is drinking water allowed here?
Hydration is very important.
Are protein shakes available nearby?
The juice bar offers healthy drinks.
I might try one later.
Let me know if you need assistance.
The gym feels clean and organized.
Equipment is sanitized frequently.
That makes me feel safe.
Guest safety is our priority.
What time does the gym close?
The gym closes at 10 tonight.
That gives me enough time.
Please avoid overexertion.
I prefer light exercise only.
That is a healthy choice.
Thank you for being attentive.
It's part of my duty.
I enjoyed the gym experience.
We're happy to hear that.